What utility can move my Windows boot partition over to another hard drive? Can anyone recommend a cheap/free utility that can do this without very much effort? My preference is that it would be really easy. Boot into Windows, pick drive to move, pick target drive. It copies everything over, and reboots to the correct partition.
Drive image XML. Drive image XML will do the job. It runs from within Windows and it can copy directly from drive to drive. A lot of people rave about it after good experiences with the software. Drive image XML is an easy to use and reliable program for imaging and backing up partitions and logical drives. Image creation uses Microsoft's Volume Shadow Services, VSS, allowing you to create safe hot images even from drives currently in use. Images are stored in XML files, allowing you to process them with third-party tools. Never again be stuck with a useless backup. Restore images to drives without having to reboot. Drive image XML is now faster than ever, offering 2 different compression levels. Easiest Disk Copy. Easiest Disk Copy is a great alternative if you don't want to go for a hot backup that runs from within Windows. Good review at Lifehacker and on a par with Drive image XML. They quite clearly state that it is ideal for moving from one disk to a larger one. Like other suggestions, this requires that you create a boot CD. Easiest Disk Copy is a potent freeware providing sector-by-sector disk/partition clone regardless of your operating system, file systems and partition scheme by creating a bootable CD. The sector-by-sector method assures you a copy 100% identical to the original. Disk copy can be used for copy, cloning, or upgrading your original small hard drive to a new larger drive. Simply speaking, it can copy anything from the old hard drive including the deleted, lost files and inaccessible data. So, the freeware is a perfect tool for Data Recovery Wizard to recover files from a backup disk.
Although Sarchiver is quite an underrated all-round, offline, non-GUI Linux tool, from the creators of Bitimage that IRC doesn't support ext4, I agree that Drive image XML is the best answer so far. But also try Minitool Partition Wizard Home Edition. Next time. Smile. Here's a summary of tools for partition cloning I have used in the past.
Carded on the Ubuntu, and I'm sure other Linux distros, libcd will do exactly this. I've used it to successfully migrate entire operating systems from one dying drive to another new drive. Carded is a free partition editor for graphically managing your disk partitions. Carded is useful for tasks such as creating space for new operating systems, restructuring disk space to separate user and operating system data, and copying partitions to enable upgrading to a larger hard disk drive.
Clonezilla. You could try out Clonezilla Live. Clonezilla, based on DRBL, Parclone and Udcast, allows you to do bare metal backup and recovery. Two types of Clonezilla are available, Clonezilla Live and Clonezilla Say, Server Edition. Clonezilla Live is suitable for single machine backup and restore. It doesn't perfectly meet your requirements, but the disk-to-disk clone instructions are here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.